Aloha you guys, and welcome back. Today I'm coming to you with the most expensive face of makeup that I've ever done. Some of these products I probably haven't shown to you before, but I'm going to show them to you on my face. And so yeah, this is my bare face. Who says you have to do an intro with a full face of makeup? But so if you want to see my bougiest makeup and how much it costs, and then we're going to add it up at the end, then just keep watching. Okay, some of these products are not going to be full size. Some of these are trial size, but I've had several of these before. Let's see. There. Okay, and so this is the Dior Skin, and it's a primer, and it's absolutely beautiful. The full size of this is $115. So definitely, if money were no object, I would definitely buy this, and I would wear it every day because it's that beautiful. And I'm almost done with this one. I think I have one more. Whoops, it went on. But this is absolutely beautiful. I do have all my skincare and my moisturizer on, so because this is just about the makeup. So now that I have my dream skin on, we're gonna follow it up with another Dior product, and this is my most expensive foundation, and it is the Dior Forever, and it's called the Dior Skin Forever, and I'm in the shade 025. So we're gonna, this is how I put it on my face. I know, it's weird, but this is how I do it. And oh no, I thought I got it on my top. So a brush that I've been loving lately is my It Cosmetics double-ended brush. I don't know why. I feel like I need a new Sigma F80, my flat kabuki brush. I don't know why. I just feel like I need a new one. I've had it for, I don't know, maybe a little over a year. I don't know, or maybe I just need to wash it more often because it's hot and humid here. Things don't dry really once it's wet, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my concealer and my eye primer. So we'll speed through that because I don't really have any really expensive stuff. So you guys are already seen that, so we'll just speed right through that. Okay, and then let's see, should we do the eyes next? Oh no, let's do the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I have the Gimme Brow. So I have the Benefit Precision My Brow Pencil, and then I also have the Gimme Brow. So we're gonna use both of them because we're that bougie, and I'll have the prices of these like right here somewhere. And so we're just going, normally I use my NYX, right? My NYX eyebrow pencil, which is like $2 or $3. And I definitely need to get an eyebrow wax. Seriously. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the one eyebrow, and then we're gonna use the My Brow, which I love this stuff, and I actually could use it by itself if I wasn't doing it so sloppy today. But for the sake of this bad and bougie and expensive video, we're gonna use both of them because actually sometimes I do use both of them. I did get a little bit up here, so I'm gonna clean that up. Done. All right, so for the granddaddy, so I am gonna do an eye look with the Natasha Denona, and it is her Sunset palette. And this is absolutely beautiful, and I stocked it on Sephora for so long. This was $125. Now, I did not pay $125. You guys know me, I get everything on sale. But it went in and out of stock for a very long time, and whenever it would go on, we would get the Sephora sale, it would be out of stock. So yeah, so this is the baddest and bougiest thing I probably have, and we're going to use it today. We're going to do something simple though, because I don't want this tutorial to be too long. The color I always use as a transition is this one right here, and they have the names on this sheet. So it's called Bermuda. So we're gonna get this one right here, get it on our brush, and then put that in our crease and right above the crease, because as I said, this is our transition color. So I'm going to then put Morgana. These are weird names. This one right here, and it's like a orangey, like metallic color, and we're gonna put that on the lid. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M209 brush, and we're just going to pick that up, and we're gonna place that on the lid. That's such a pretty color. I should have did yellow for a sunset eye. Why didn't you guys tell me? That would have only been appropriate. But now we've already started this. So it actually kind of goes up. Okay, what else are we gonna do? We're gonna be easy. So I think it's Sine. This one up here is like a brown, orangey brown. And we're gonna stick that in the crease. I should have used a smaller brush. We're gonna use our Luxie brush. And this is the small taper detail, because we really wanna get this in the crease and not all over the eye. So we're just going to blend that into the crease and the outer corner of the eye. I feel like we need something darker. So we're going to go over here, and this is Terra. It might be short for terracotta. I don't know. So let's go here. I'm gonna get this other Morphe brush. It is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to get this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna place it underneath the lash line to darken it up. Okay, we're going to use the Brow Gel, and I'm going to use the top here, and then I'm going to use, no, not this one. We use the Real Techniques brush to blend that out. I love this brush for blending that out, and it's so pretty. And then I'm going to take my It Cosmetics brush, the other side, and I'm using whatever product I have on here to clean up the side. Then we're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner, and this is in rock and kohl, and this stuff is no joke. If I had a brown, I'd use a brown, but I don't have a Bougee brown. So I'm tight lining the top, going to tight line the bottom just real quick, not to make it super dark. Okay, and curling the eyelashes. And then all I have is this Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara. All I've been using is drugstore mascara. Are you guys proud of me? Because I can be super bougie. But Dior Show used to be my jam. I purchased 2 of them in a row, and I had a couple travel size. So I definitely used the heck out of that mascara. But what I've learned is there's some really good drugstore options, and what I've been using has been working. So if it works, don't fix it. Or if it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right, y'all, we are back. Both eyes are done. Ta-da! So yeah, I hope you like this makeup look. And the lashes. So now let's get on with it. We're going to do next is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. I think this is number 4, and this is $80. Whoa, I know, you guys know I didn't pay full price, but yeah, I absolutely love this, and this is my favorite blush of all time from this palette here. Sometimes I actually mix both of them. So we're just gonna put the blush on there. And honestly, I should have bronzed, but it's okay. Maybe today we're not going to bronze, or we still could. I don't know. But I don't know, sometimes do you feel like you just want to get the blush on? I feel like there's 2 things that I want to do. Is I want to get the blush on, and I want to get my lips on. I don't know. That's so weird, right? I don't know. Anyways, okay. Is that too much blush? Or is that perfect? Should be perfect. And let's get the highlight on, and this is the highlight down here. So pretty. It's very more natural looking highlight, I feel like. So that, Cupid's bow. I like to do it with my finger better. I feel like it does a better job, right? We're not going to go too crazy with the highlight. So there's the Hourglass. Yeah, we're not going to do any contouring or anything. So let's get to lips. Okay, so before we get to lips, I want to spray the face. And this is my Supergoop setting spray. I know you guys probably haven't seen it. I use it every day. This is $28, and the reason why I'm using this one is because the Tarte Ready Set Radiant, which I just recently got, is $25. So this one's more expensive. So if we want to be bougie, we got to use the most expensive stuff. So I like this one because it has SPF of 50, which I absolutely need because my face will burn in a hot second. All right, so that's good. I didn't want to put it over my lipstick. So for the lipstick combo, OMG. So this is the Pillow Talk. The lip liner in full size is $22, and the Pillow Talk lipstick in full size is $34. I don't think I've ever had a $34 lipstick. So yeah, and actually I don't like this combo on me, but since this is the most expensive that I have, we're going to use something on top. So I know this is everybody's favorite, but I think I've said before, this looks better on fair skinned people, which, yeah. So it's pretty, however, it's not my favorite. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Dior gloss on top. So I am a Dior girl. I love Dior. So yeah, this is the collagen, the Lip Maximizer Collagen Active Gloss, and it's in the tan sheer. So I think this will make the lipstick better. All right, you guys, so I think that is it. The lip looks so much better with the gloss on top. I really like it. It just kind of doesn't make it as rosy on me. It tones it down. I love the eye look, but this is the most expensive. I'm gonna put it like right here or somewhere. The most expensive face of makeup I've ever had on. And believe you me, if money was no object, I'd be buying the best of everything because I'm just that girl. I'm kind of bougie. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions, put those down in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Just drop a $125 palette.